What's up, everybody? It is King back news gonna run you video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below to join the King Film today. And today we are going to be going to our family's house over for dinner. So let's go right now. Son, are you ready to go on this amazing and great road trip? This is gonna be very, very great, and you're gonna be going there. Alright, come on, Zay and Uncle. We need to go, we need to go, we need to go. You have your beautiful. Get in! Oh shoot, my lock. Zay, get in!
I'm coming. I'm in.
Alright. Alright. Got a beautiful Chevy Tahoe. And you're going on a road trip to Central Kansas. Are you guys ready to go? Zay, are you ready to go?
What?
Are you ready to go on this road trip?
Yep.
We were ready to plan this all along, but we finally did it. We need to go to the Starbucks for a mobile order. We ordered it earlier today. And we need to going down the road, yeah. Let me get there quickly. Oh my word. For a minute I thought it was green, but we just got a ticket. And another ticket. Oh, I need to slow down.
Trust me, I will not get one ticket if you let me drive.
No, son. No, son. Let me handle it. Because I'm driving good.
Okay.
Alright. We'll go to like.
Can I drive?
No, we're not. You're not driving it. I'm the professional, so I should drive it. Plus, everybody else only went for Thanksgiving break, so we don't not
You're
need
driving
to.
in both lanes, though.
What?
You're driving in both lanes, though.
Oh my word! I'm driving to both lanes. I'm going very fast. But anyways, we got here so quickly. So it's a mobile order.
Yo. Get out.
Alright. Oops, I smashed into this.
Hey, let's go. Can we go to Just Buy after? I really need some coffee right now.
Nope, we're getting coffee. We're gonna mobile order. Let's get a mobile order from the back.
Mobile order? Okay.
Alright, we get it from here. Here's your coffee. And Zay? I got you coffee. Yeah, I got you coffee.
Thank you.
Alright, get in.
Okay.
Alright, ready to go. Oh my word, I can't believe we're ready.
I know exactly what that picture is. Yep, I knew it.
Alright, let me go this way for Central Kansas. Put a GPS for the location. Oh my word.
Where are we going again?
Son?
Why are you driving properly? I want you to drive faster.
Son, stop making that up. We're driving. Oh my word. Well, guys, I want to see you guys when we get there. Alright, guys.
Wait, you started it?
We're finally back in Central Kansas. Are you ready to go to the house that we have?
Yeah.
Alright. We're apparently going to get a McDonald's. Central Kansas does not have a lot of stuff, so you might need to be careful that weekend in Central Kansas, because Central Kansas is having a lot of stuff. Alright. That's pretty empty. I believe everybody in Central Kansas and same as Greenville just went to their summer vacations. Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this way. Alright, we're gonna be parking over here. Can you can you go get the keys from the door, please?
Yeah. Alright.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright. Look, I'm gonna open the garage.
Okay.
It's gonna be great. Wait, let me get it. Let me do it. Let me do it.
I'm gonna go inside.
Yeah, you can go inside. Alright, guys. Close the garage. Alright. Let's go in. Alright, let's go in the house.
All right.
I wish your brother can come, but he's lost in Greenville. Alright, anyways, do we have any food?
No, we don't. We gotta go get some.
Oh my word, I forgot. We don't have any food to eat.
We gotta go get some.
We can get in the car.
Here, I'll lock the door.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's get in.
Wait. Before we go, we gotta make sure nothing's wrong.
Of the car?
Alright, yeah, everything's good.
Alright. Can you close the...
Here, stop by the guitar. Yeah, I'll close it.
No, that's the light.
Sorry.
Next to it. Yeah. Alright. We're gonna be going this way. Oh my word. I believe this is the way. What's wrong with the car?
Can we go to McDonald's?
What's wrong with the car?
Wait, I think we need gas.
Oh my word, are you kidding me? We ran out of gas?
I think we ran out of gas.
No, we ran out of gas. I forgot to turn off the vehicle when I was still running. No. Do you have a backup car?
I don't have a car.
Oh my word. No, we ran out of gas.
The cylinders.
Oh, we can go to the gas station and get some gas.
But our cars, we don't have any gas right now. How are we gonna get to the gas station?
We can walk.
True.
We can.
Yeah, it's just over here.
You need some exercise. That's what you need to do. You've been on that game all day long.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I know.
Alright. See, it's not that far away. Look, it's not that far of a walk.
We can just get a tank of gas.
Good thing the Cassie's gas station is open 24/7, so no one has to be inside. You can just pay.
Yeah.
By the kiosk, and yeah, that's it. Man, I'm thirsty. Alright, let's get inside.
I'll be right back.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some gasoline. And a drink to drink with. Let's get some Bloxy. Alright, I'm gonna pay with this. And this. Okay. Just paid. Alright, just went to the bathroom
Did we
with my
get the
son too.
gasoline can?
Huh? I just got the gasoline
Did we
can.
get the gasoline?
Yep, and,
Okay.
and a Bloxy Cola. Oh, word. Good thing there's a gas station nearby, because if we didn't have a gas station, we would be cooked.
Yeah.
Oh, word. So long of a walk. Whew, I'm getting tired.
Yeah.
But, son, check the weather on your phone. If it's gonna be very, warm.
I don't have a phone.
Just check it with imaginary.
No, it's not gonna be cold.
Alright.
Hold on. Your cap.
Oh, you bought gasoline too?
Yeah, just in case. I just bought it and you save yours.
Oh, I just bought it.
Alright, I only filled it up 25, so you gotta do the rest.
Alright. Let me fill it up.
Yeah. It says it's only at 25.
I fill it up. Okay. That's it. Yep, that's it. Now you can go. Here we go. Now we're getting back. That was a relief. Right? Very, very relief.
That was a close call.
Yeah. Alright, we'll be going to the dollar store because those have a lot of snacks and stuff.
And can we, our gas tank is only at 50. Can we stop at the gas station again and get it to 100?
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, pump gas.
Let me get the gas.
Alright.
Got it.
We won't.
Okay. 91 octane. $3.29. Wow. It's expensive.
Alright, let's go. Can we also stop at McDonald's? Because I'm kind of hungry.
No. You're gonna eat the grocery food.
Alright.
It's unhealthy for you, so you need to eat something healthy.
Okay.
Alright. Anyways.
Give me a salad.
A salmon?
Salad.
Salad? Alright.
Or actually, salmon and rice.
Salmon and rice, alright. No, your grandma always makes that for you. She's a special recipe. Salmon. Yeah. Do not tell anyone. Alright. I'm gonna be pulling to this parking spot.
I'm going to let you in the car.
Alright. We're gonna be going right now. I've never been to this gas station. I mean, not gas station, this grocery store in so many years. But the good thing that we're stocked. We're gonna get some pretzels, peanut butter, jelly, and beans and other condiments.
Let me get my salmon and rice.
Alright, I got a lot of things, and Bloxy Cola. Alright, let's pay.
Now.
Okay, we got it. Let's go home. I can cook something up for you, son, so don't worry.
Yeah. Here, put it in the back of the car.
Alright.
Place.
Alright, let me open it up.
Alright.
Usually doesn't open up, but here. Opened it up here. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's go. Wait, why is the car not moving?
Here, let me try. Maybe there's like...
I think the car's unstuck.
Let me try. So...
Something wrong with the engine.
Is there something wrong with the engine?
No. Alright, there we go. Alright, get in. Something wrong with the car for a minute.
Can't get in.
Oh my word, oh my word. I can't even see in the dark. Alright, let's go back home now. Wow, it's been a very, very great day here in Central Kansas. Clean up. Like to go home. What the? What is wrong? Where does this rain come from?
Oh no.
Where does the rain come from?
I don't know. Just go to our house.
Alright. Rain came out of
Let's hope
nowhere.
it's not a tornado.
Not a tornado? Alright, just a little bit of rain.
Let's hope it's not a tornado.
Yeah, last time we came here, there's a tornado. Hopefully there's not. There's been a lot of crazy weather here in Central Kansas. Oh no, right there, I took a wrong turn. Hold up. Let me go to the house.
I think it is.
Where's our house? I think it's up here. What's wrong with the car? Why is the car not going nowhere? Right.
Right, it's the right.
Hold on, let me take a round. Hold up. I think we lost. Oh Lord. Why is the car barging in? What is wrong with the car? Oh my word. Oh, I took a wrong turn. Hold up. What is wrong with the car? The car is not barging. Oh my word, the car is not even going anywhere. I think we're lost. Why is the car barging into the rain? Hold up, I think we're lost. Hold up. Son, do you know where we're going? I don't have a GPS on my phone or anything.
I don't know.
I think we're going the wrong way. I'm just going with the car. Alright, we need to pull over because this car is not working. I don't know what's wrong with it. Son, can you help me?
Yeah.
Hold up. What's wrong with the car? Is it out of gas or anything? No.
Let me see what's wrong. Yeah, nothing's wrong. Hold on.
Yeah, everything's 100%.
Let me see something real quick. So if I... Here. It should be good now. It should work now.
Oh my word. Alright. Oh my word. Something wrong with the vehicle or something like that. Alright, thanks, son. You're really a lifesaver. I can't see anything. It's so dark. I think we're going the wrong way. Hold up. Some leads outside of town. Alright. Alright. Son, I can't see anything in my car. Does not have GPS. Do you have a GPS on your phone?
No.
There's no signal?
No.
Oh no, the car is barging into this rain. Oh, I took a wrong turn. That's why. Hold on, let me take a turn. Oh my word! Oh my word! My word! My word! Oh my word! Oh my word! This rain is making me stumble. What is wrong with this Oh my word! This car does not want to go. I'm going very slow, and the gas is still 65. Hold up. Oh, it's over here. It's over here. It's over here. Yeah, son, they were gonna have to stay overnight. The car is not going anywhere. All the stores are closed. What is wrong with this?
Wait, I think I made our houses.
No, because
Keep going straight. Take
our
that
house
little
is
left.
hurt.
Keep going straight.
Yeah, I know this. It's over further up here.
You keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh my word! Oh my word! I almost crashed.
It's not that one. Take a Yui.
Oh, our car. Wait. There's like.
Now.
There's only one turn, right? Wait. That's not a.
And now I remember where it is.
Alright, this way. Oh my word, that car is not really good working. Oh my word. I can't find the house.
It's not this way.
Oh my word, I can't drive. Oh, I think that's our house.
Let me open the garage.
Do you open the garage?
Let me open it.
Oh, there's a.
Hey.
It's really hard. Whoa, my word, I smashed.
I'm coming.
I smashed into the garage door.
I'm coming.
Come on, let's go. Open the garage.
I'm coming.
Open the garage. Oh my word.
Now get out. We gotta go inside right now.
Our car is not stopping because our vehicle engine is broken.
Alright, come on.
Alright, let's go anyways. I'm gonna fill up the gas.
Let's go. We gotta get inside right now. Come in. It's a tornado.
A tornado? Oh my word.
Yes.
Alright.
We gotta go into the bedroom. Yeah, you
Oh my word.
The rain is that bad.
It's really windy outside. It's raining outside.
See here, 4. Oh no, that's not good. That is not good.
Alright.
Oh shit, we have to hide in the bedroom right now.
Alright.
In the bedroom. Get it.
Alright.
Oh gosh, this is bad.
Oh my word.
Oh my god.
What happened?
No, get back in here.
Oh my word. Yeah,
oh, that's bad. That's bad.
Hey, let me check on this house. Let me check outside.
Oh god.
Let me check.
Oh god. Get in the bathroom. It's the most safest place in the whole entire house.
Let me check.
Come over here.
Oh my word. Alright, get in the house. Get in the house.
Get in the bathroom.
Oh my word.
It's the most safest spot.
Oh my word.
Come in.
Oh my word. Oh my word.
No, there. In here. Get in the bathtub.
Oh my word. Oh my word. So scary.
God.
It's an EF5 tornado, it says. It's an EF5. It's an EF5. It says. What should we do? Should we evacuate?
I don't know what we should do. This is a really dumb idea, but we have to do it. We have to. We gotta get in the car to get to the gas station. We have to.
Alright. You can drive because I don't feel like driving.
Go. It's gonna get violent. Shoot! It's getting violent.
Okay, you can drive.
We gotta go to the gas station right now.
You can
We
drive.
gotta go to the gas station right now.
Alright, I got all the stuff in the back.
Let me drive.
Oh my word.
Alright.
Oh my word.
It still won't let me drive.
Try to drive.
We're just gonna have to go in the house again.
No, I can do it.
You can? Alright. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, let me get in. It won't let me get in! Yes, go. We gotta go to the gas station right now. Like, right
It's
now.
snowing. Oh my word.
It's probably a blizzard.
Yeah. Oh my
shit.
word. We're sliding. Oh my, do you see those winds? Oh my word, bro. Come on, there's a tornado. I see a tornado cloud. Oh my word, why am I sliding like this?
We're in the ditch.
Oh my word, I can't even see anything. My word. Oh my word. Oh my word, we're sliding everywhere. We don't have the off-roading package. I'm gonna get to the gas
And the one day we get on your
My
house,
gas
a tornado and a blizzard comes through, bro. Why?
I don't know. Oh my word. I can't see anything. Oh! Oh my word, I can't even see anything. I think our gas is low. Oh, we're still going, okay. We have a quarter tank left. There's a gas station. Oh my word, I can't see anything.
Oh, shoot!
Oh my word, we're sliding everywhere. Oh my word, we're gonna be making through this. We can't do anything. We can do nothing.
Hey guys, I think this is getting a little bit too intense. We might have to end the video in like 5 minutes, bro. This is bad.
Yeah, we might
Oh
have
my
to end the video,
God.
guys, in 5 minutes. Oh my word. Oh my word, I can't even drive. Whoa, the winds are making speeding. Oh my word. I think our car is out of gas.
This is not good.
Oh my word. Whoa. I don't think our gas is good.
Alright, I think we're clear. No, we're not. Oh crap.
I think we're out of gas. We're out of gas?
We're out of gas?
I think we are. Oh no, we need to make it to the gas station. Come on. Son? I think we're out of gas.
Well, the gas station is right there. The gas station is right there. Take a right, just right there into the gas. Yes. And then you should be able to. Yes. Now, try to drive over there to the gas. Hey.
Yes, go. We got a good idea, son. Good idea.
Yes. Now let me get it.
Yes, we can connect it. Oh my word.
At 31.
Alright. We're making it through
41.
it. We're making it through it.
60. 70.
80.
80.
90. Alright, we got it, guys. Alright. We're going. Son, I think our gas. Wait. Oh, we can't get through. My word. Alright. I have a check engine light right now. Oh, my word. I can't even run through this. Alright, finally, we got it, right?
Yep.
Oh, we have a check engine light, though. Oh, we're done. Alright, we need to get in the house, get all the stuff from our room, our valuable stuff, and then go back to Greenville, Wisconsin. Is that a plan?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna be going back to the house right now. I did leave our house, we need to take a turn. It's been a very, very crazy day here in Central Kansas, guys. I truly cannot believe it. Alright. And the winds are keeping our car. We have a check engine light. We have all the engine light. Oh my word. Don't think this vehicle's gonna make it. Alright, turn around, turn around. My word! Alright, I believe the snow already melted, but I don't think the snow already melted. The ice is still here. Alright, son. Run in, go get the stuff. I'll stay in the car.
Alright.
Oh,
I got you.
Alright. Alright, turn this way, turn this way. Alright. I'm gonna stay on the road. Alright, you get the stuff quickly, quickly, quickly. Oh, my word. I just smashed into this.
Oh, guys. I'm getting everything.
Alright, hurry up.
I'm hurrying. I gotta get everything.
Alright. You back?
Almost.
Alright.
I got it all. I'm coming.
Alright. Are we ready?
Yep.
Alright. Are we stuck on this Marbox? Or not? Alright, we have to go off-roading.
No.
We're gonna have to go off-roading because we're not gonna go on this.
Yeah, Nick.
Oh my word. Wait,
Nick.
hold up. We start doing it. Alright guys,
Nick.
it's been a very, very crazy day here in Central Kansas. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment. Do not forget to subscribe to join the King fam today. Thank you so much, guys. You're awesome. Please comment if you like this video or not. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody. Say bye, son.
Bye.